Hey M-Gems! Fall is here and tis the season to get organized. October is not only about pumpkin lattes and sweater weather, but also a time to declutter and design. So that's exactly what I'm doing. In this episode, I'm doing a huge fall home decor haul. I picked up a lot of gems from Ikea, Dollar Tree, Target, Sam's Club, and Burlington. So grab your latte and blanket because I'm about to show you some goodies I found and what you can still pick up at your local stores. So without further ado, let's get creative. As per usual, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy seeing this content, and also share as well. Guys, it's emeraldthecreativegem, and here is all the fall finds that I found at Target, Sam's Club, Dollar Tree, and Ikea. I am going to be decorating the living room and dining room with all of this decor, maybe a little bit at the front door and also maybe outside, not really sure. But this is the haul. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. We're going to start on this side. This is from Ikea. I got this beautiful rug. I forgot what it's called, like a fox fur. I'm not going to say a fox fur. I got this beautiful rug from Ikea. It's the small one. I got in this lovely blue. Then I also got this picture frame. Not really sure what I'm gonna store in there. I might put something that's not a picture inside. Not really sure, but if I do a DIY, I will definitely post it on my channel for sure. Then I got some pillowcases. Right here are cushion covers, decorative cushion covers. This was discounted. And this one is part of the new winter collection that they have out currently. Guys, make sure you head to Ikea as soon as possible because they do have their winter holiday stock out and it does go very quickly. So I got these. These are so pretty. It's like a beautiful ombre color. Definitely pick these up before they sold out because I know they will. So I got 2 of those. I don't know if I'm going to use that for the fall. I might just use that for Christmas, but we'll see. We'll see. Then I got this beautiful fall cushion cover as well. Here's one more cushion cover from Ikea. This is the Galaka. It's just like a nice plush, soft cushion cover. And then finally, this is a cake stand, but I like to showcase other things like vases or wine glasses or cards or other items on this, but I'm gonna be using this to showcase probably some pumpkins. So that's it for the Ikea part. Found this doormat. I think I got this doormat at the Dollar Tree. Can't remember where, or all these, I don't know. I can't remember where I got this doormat, but I got this doormat. It says gather. And then on the bottom, the full doormat is from Burlington Outlet. This was $8.99. I'm gonna put this at the front door. And then this one's gonna go, I think this one's gonna go outside, this one's gonna go inside. Not quite sure yet. Comment below what you guys think. Should this go on the outside or the inside of the house? Another one that I got from Burlington. I like double stacking, which means you can take one doormat, put it on top, and do like a double stacking or like a layering of rugs. So that'll look very, very pretty outside or even inside the house at the doorway. Also in Burlington, I got this beautiful pumpkin wreath. This one was $12.99. I'm gonna put this in the door. All right, moving on to the Dollar Tree. I got these cute little textured pumpkins. I'm basically doing a gray, light blue, green, a very soft tone, earthy tones for fall. Little hints of orange, not too much. These pink ones are gonna go in my bedroom upstairs. So I'm gonna decorate my bedroom just a little bit, just a tiny little bit. These glitter branches, I guess you could say. What are they called? Glitter ferns. Colors. I might use this for Christmas instead of using this for fall. Not really sure, but I wanted to get a few different colors and play around with it. All you need is love and pie sign. Their sign. Still trying to stay with the hints of orange and then also a little blue. The blue on the camera and the blue in person is a little different. This looks more darker blue, where in person it looks more turquoise. Like I said, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use it, but I just got it just in case before it all sells out. Beautiful charger plates. Usually you have the gold, but this is like a brushed brass. And these are very pretty to put on the table, even to hang up, make accents. You can even put this on the coffee table. So many things you can do with chargers. So I got 6 of those because there are 6 seats, and that'll look very nice. And these clip on. I might put these in the wreath just to give it a little hint of blue. So I might put those in the wreath to get a little hint of blue. Foliage, I'm gonna put that in the vase. Try to do a table setting as well. Woven pumpkins. A lot of textures. Velvet pumpkin picks. Very nice. A lot of very, very nice stuff. I actually went to a couple of Dollar Trees and they had a lot of nice fall stuff to use. Okay. And that pretty much summarized Dollar Tree. Oh wait, I forgot these little acorn, what do you call them? Just decor, Acorn Decor. Let me put it down so you can see it. A brass and then a acorn that is silver. All right, last but not least, I do have a door hanger that I can hang the lovely wreath with. I'm gonna use the brown one. I think they had a brown and a beige or a green. I couldn't decide what color, but I'm like, you can never go wrong with brown, especially if your wreath is gonna be brown. All right, now we're gonna move on to Target. I got this Lazy Susan, and I believe it's unfinished, so you could paint it if you choose to. I like the natural wood, so I don't think I'm going to paint it. It says not to be used for serving foods directly, for decor only. So that means you can put your spices on it. You can put whatever you like on it. It is a nice little Lazy Susan, so you can rotate it. And I got 3 of these. So this is the Target Dollar Shop. They have so many different colors. They have pink, lavender, and they have this one for the fall. These are very beautiful, very delicate, nice texture. And I am going to put them in these beautiful vases. This one was $5. This one I believe was $5 too. Yeah, unfortunately the stickers kept coming off the product, so I had to keep going back to the dollar shop. I didn't realize until I was at the cashier that a lot of the stickers were off, so I had to go back and forth. But most of these items were $5. Very simple accent pieces that you can use for fall or anytime, even spring, but very beautiful. Then I also got this beautiful vase as well. Ceramic. Then I got a tray, a woven tray from the dollar shop. Most of these items are from the dollar shop, if not all. I think all of them were from the dollar shop. I can put, well, I might as well get into it now. These, I only got one thing from Sam's Club, and this is the Harvest Flocked Pumpkins. I may put one pumpkin on here and see how I like it. By the way, this was $40 from Sam's Club and a set of 3. Now, the only thing I want to mention is that this one right here is actually more of a beige color rather than an orange color. I don't know why it's showing on here that it is orange. It's not. In the store, it is a beige color. I may put one of them on here. Not quite sure. Like I said, I like to kind of wing my decoration, and then you guys see the final result. So just stay tuned for that in my next video. Some textured pumpkins, another velvet pumpkins. I guess that was the trend. That's the trend right now, is just textured pumpkins. Or they always been, I don't know. But here's a velvet one. This one is definitely, as you can tell, better quality than the Dollar Tree. You can see a little bit of the glue, maybe not. You can see a little bit of glue. So you can too at the Dollar Tree, but you can easily just cut the glue off or even put some leaves on there to kind of cover it up. But this is not bad for $1. You know what I mean? Not bad for $1. Then some woven pumpkins that can match the other ones over here. I got it in beige, orange, and then a green color. Pumpkin fillers, 15. These can go into containers or vases, whatever you like. It's just to fill it up. So I think I may use this with some of the picks. But these are super cute mini pumpkins. All right, almost done. I have this fall portrait or fall accent art that I'm going to use. I don't think I'm gonna use it on the wall. I think I'm gonna use it in my alcove where I have the mirror. I think I'm gonna use that over there with the pumpkins and maybe like a basket. And last but not least, this basket, this wire basket, wire metal basket, $5. You can put fruits in it. You can put pumpkins in it. I think this is also gonna go on the kitchen table. So that concludes my Target, Sam's Club, Dollar Tree, and Ikea haul. That's everything that I got. Not bad, not bad. Not bad to decorate your space on a budget. This was all less than $100. I didn't even calculate it, to be honest, but not bad. $5 for the vases, $3 for this, $2 for that, $1.25 for that. Not bad at all, not bad at all. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed my haul. If you want to see how I decorate, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when my next video comes out of me decorating my new place. All right, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.